Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going over a walk by the camera transition. That's really cool, very simple. It just takes a little bit of time. Now let's get right into it. So you're gonna need two clips. You're gonna need a clip on top and a clip on the bottom. And for the top clip, you will need the subject to cover the top and the bottom of the screen. So you see how this subject is covering the top and the bottom fully on the screen. You will need a subject to be fully covering the top and the bottom of the screen. What we're going to do here is we're going to go to our point right before this little seam shows. Okay, so we're going to go a frame above that. We're going to add a draw mask to this top clip. And after that, we are going to begin masking. So we're going to zoom out a little bit. And we are just going to begin to mask outside. All right, after you mask fully, you are going to go to the transforms right here and add a keyframe. So click this little button right here, all of these, and you're gonna go to the control points as well and make sure these are yellow. And we are just gonna go frame by frame to match his body with the mask. So we're just gonna go one frame, and you see this part right here, we don't want that to show, so we're just gonna add that right here. And then go one frame again and do the same thing. You can add points if you need to. I'm gonna fast forward this, speed this video up, but you guys just take your time and just mask it. The more time you take on it, then the better it's gonna look. All right, now play it back to see what it looks like. And that looks okay so far. We're just gonna add a feather to try to hide those rough edges. Now for the finishing touches, we're going to add a directional blur to make it all fit in. We adjust that to about 24, or let's go 27. And we can play it. It's pretty good. Let's fit it to the screen. Got a little stuff going on over here because I rushed a little bit at the end right here, but you get the point. Just take your time when you're masking. But thank you, and if this video helped you out in any way, consider liking and consider subscribing. We'll be coming out with more content later this week, so do that, and appreciate you guys. Thank you.